How to use fitness app on iPhone. Using a fitness app on iPhone is easy, whether you are using Apple built-in fitness app or any other apps. Now here is a general guide. All you have to do is open the fitness app on your mobile device. The Apple Fitness app works best when paired with an Apple Watch, but if you do not want to use an Apple Watch, then simply open the fitness app. It is pre-installed on your iPhone. If you have not set it up, follow the on-screen prompts to enter your details such as age, weight, height, and activity level. Now, in order to track your activity, you can see the activity rings shows three key metrics: move, exercise, and stand. Move is how much calories you have burnt, and exercise is minutes of physical activity, and stand is hours you have stood and moved. There you can also see distance and the amount of walk you have done in a day. Tap on the ring to see more details about your daily progress. Now, you can set move goals without needing an Apple Watch as well. It will track activity using your iPhone's motion sensors, steps, distance, and even the flights climbed. You can tap on the summary tab to view your progress. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.